Okay, hello everyone. Alright, so today's website of the day is Colors or Coolors, however you want to pronounce it, but it's Colors with double O's. Okay, so this website allows you to create color palettes again for your project or website or apps. So let's start the generator so you see how it works. So you hit the start generator and it shows up with default. I'm going to hide this. Default color palettes that you can use for your project. So these are the hex codes. So the way it works, you can click and hit the space bar. Actually, you don't have to click. You can hit the space bar and it generates a random color palettes that you can use for your website. If you like it, you can use it. If you don't like it, you can hit the space bar and it will continue to generate multiple colors for you. So if while you're browsing through these, if you like one of these colors, you can actually lock it and then hit the spacebar for these four different colors to change. So you lock this in place and you continue looking for something that matches with that. So if you think this goes with that, you can lock that as well. Then you can keep hitting the spacebar to keep generating more colors to complete your palette. If you know the colors you want, I believe you can go in here directly and no, this just allows you to move the colors, but you can also go in here directly, and then if you know the colors, you can type it in here yourself, the hex value, or you can type in the RGB if you know it, and move it around. So that's one nice feature. I use it for my websites and apps and just colors in general. It has more features, so explore it. You can actually upload an image and then pull colors from it if you wanted to know what color is in an image. So I'm going to try it here. I'm going to have an image here of Bruce Lee. I'm going to pull this image. It's actually a nice image. It says practice makes perfect. After a long time practicing, our work will become natural, skillful, swift, and steady. All right, so it's very true. All right, so if you click on this color, you can select, you can click and drag, or click and drag and select the color that you want to use in your palette. So let's say this is what I want. I can select that, click on this next color, and then choose another one. If I want this yellow here, I can select that, and then I can keep moving. I can select the hair, the color of the hair, the exact color that I want to use in my project. So it's really cool. And then when you're done, you can either export, view the palette, and the hex information, and or if once you're done, after selecting say a color here, hit next, you can actually open so let me select this here and then select the yellow. You can actually open it in the palette itself. So open in generator itself, and then it shows up here, and you can continue, you can lock them in place and continue selecting more colors. So all in all, this is a very nice website. Use it to your advantage for your projects and your websites, and explore it. There's so many nice features with this. All right, so if you have any questions, please post down below. I'll do everything to respond to them. Thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you next time in the next video. All right then, bye-bye.